Markets have been left guessing whether Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro got the financing lifeline his country desperately needs from his trip to Beijing this week. Here's what he had to say.
En este momento pudiera decir que más de 20.000 millones de dólares en inversiones hemos redondeado en el transcurso de esta jornada de trabajo.
What President Maduro didn't say is what matters the most, whether China plans to extend a line of credit to the OPEC member after already loaning some $51 billion over the past 7 years. Beijing is increasingly worried about its exposure to Venezuela, where unsustainable economic policies are cracking under the pressure of a steep drop in crude oil prices.
The big question for Beijing is to what extent does it continue to push good money after bad? And Venezuela owes China $50 billion. And China today, this is a new relationship for Beijing, and so it's never had this problem before. So how it deals with Caracas will be key.
That's a problem for China not only in Venezuela, but around the world, where its strategy of investing heavily in state-to-state deals with countries with lots of resources and left-leaning governments is being tested by the end of the commodities boom. For now, at least, China is continuing to offer support to Ecuador, which faces similar pressures to Venezuela. President Rafael Correa, who joins President Maduro in Beijing, says that in the long term, this is still the right strategy for both countries.
China tiene capacidad de financiamiento. Ese es el cuello de botella de los países en transición hacia el desarrollo, el financiamiento. Pero el cuello de botella de China, en cambio, son sus fuentes energéticas. Y nosotros tenemos esa energía, esos hidrocarburos, esos minerales que China necesita. Así que realmente era una complementación incluso hasta geoestratégica. Y precisamente ese es uno de los acuerdos que hemos firmado en esta visita de Estado. La asociación estratégica China-Ecuador. Y de esa visita hemos consolidado esa relación complementaria y todo esto sucede en un marco de hermandad, igualdad y sobre todo de respeto por la soberanía de ambas naciones, sin imponer, por ejemplo, los humillantes condicionamientos que los organismos multilaterales solían imponer a nuestros países y que incluso llevaron a la debacle dichos condicionamientos a varios países en el mundo y particularmente en América Latina.
Will it pay off, or will China find itself deep in the throes of the next Latin American debt crisis? That's the question that lurks behind all the pomp and circumstance this week in Beijing. Lucy Hornby, Financial Times, Beijing.